This is Master Chemist Integration. In this video we're going to do an integration by parts of x squared times e to the power x. Now as you can see we've chosen our u and our v prime. We've taken our v prime as e to the x. When integrated this gives us e to the power x. We've taken our u as x squared, which when differentiated obviously you bring this power down and then you take one away from the power, giving us 2x. Now if we put this into our general formula, our u is x squared and our v is e to the power x. Now we minus the integral of u prime, which is 2x, times by v, which is e to the power x. Now if you look at this part here, you'll see that we have an integral of two functions. Now the problem with this is we need to do a second integration by parts on this integral. So what we need to do is choose our u and our v for this. Now we'll take our u to be 2x and our u prime is therefore simply 2. We'll take our v prime to be e to the power x, and this will give us a v of e to the power x. Now we move forwards. So we have our x squared e to the power x from here. We'll put this in green just so you can see where the second integral, which will be with the u in red and the v in blue, to see where that's going. So we'll put this now in square brackets. So we minus this second integral, which comes into this general equation here. So we have u, which is 2x, times by our v, which is e to the power x, and then we minus the integral of u prime, which is 2, times by e to the power x. I'll close off this bracket. Now we integrate this second part here. So this is equal to x squared times by e to the power x minus, we'll put in this side of this bracket, 2x e to the x minus, and now as you've seen in the previous examples, if there's a constant inside the integral you can take this out the front of it. So we end up with 2 times by integral of e to the power x. Integral of e to the power x is, as we've seen here and here, e to the power x. Now we'll take this forwards, squared times by e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x minus 2 times by, and obviously the integral of e to x being e to the x, e to the power x. And obviously there is a plus c on the end of this. Now we can move forward with this again, and we end up with x squared e to the power x minus, we don't need these brackets anymore, 2x e to the power x minus 2 times e to the power x plus c. Now this can be simplified. We can take out e to the power x and this will make it a bit easier to read, and we end up with e to the power x times by x squared minus 2x minus 2 plus c.